Hello everybody. Once again welcome to my channel Educate06. Hope you all are doing great. Today I have come up with an interesting topic, that is vowel and consonants. As you all know, there are 26 alphabets and they are further divided into 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and 21 consonants: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Here I have given few examples on vowels and consonants. So let's sort out the following letters into vowels and consonants. The first example is A, E, A, C, E, H. So C will come under consonant, A will come under vowel, E will come under vowel, and H will come under consonant. Let us solve the second example. U, X, A, F. U will come under vowel, X will come under consonant, A will come under vowel, F will come under consonant. Third one is I, S, U, K. Comment below which letters are consonants and vowels. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.